We're here in the cockpit of the Falcon 6X.
Yes.
And I'm with Philippe Duchateau, the chief pilot. And Philippe, thank you for joining us. And
My
I wanted
pleasure.
to ask you if you could show us some of the
Features.
features and characteristics
All right,
of this.
Just to put it into perspective, it's the continuity of what we already have in the Falcon 8X. It's easy technology from Honeywell, and now we are at Easy 4, and we try to improve it all the time to make it even easier to use. So basically, you have got 4 main displays and a trackball, which you can move from one display to the other one, and then you can just select the scale of your map or decide whatever you want to display, like synoptics, for example, my fuel system or my hydraulic system. But what is very good with Easy 4 is now on this full nav, I've got very precise mapping of the airfields. If I go and zoom in, I'm in Little Rock here in the US. You will see all the details from the airfield, and also you have all the taxiways, and so it's very precise, and you can really follow what the air traffic control is telling you. Just now, if you look at in your ahead of you, you will see the FalconEye system, which is an award-winning system that will give you a perfect infrared picture of the scenery and also a digital picture of the scenery. If you have a very thick layer of clouds, you can still see the high mountain that you have around. So it's very good for safety, and it also gives us some what we call operational credit, which allow you to go a little further on the approach and have a better chance to land. So this cockpit has done its proofs. We try to improve it all the time to make it easier to use for our customers. So, as you have seen in the Falcon 6X, we were in the Easy technology from Honeywell, Easy 4. Now we move one step up. We keep all the good stuff from the Easy technology and add some more. So, as you see now, we have got 4 screens that are fully touch screens, okay? So it will be all it will be possible to use it very conveniently, you know. And so also we have got 4 smaller displays that we call SDUs, which are full touch screens as well, and so it's so easy and nice to go from one screen to the other. We kept the control device, but it's no more a trackball that what we had on the previous generation. Now it's a full touch pad, which allow you to do all the gestures you do on your iPhone, like pinch or extend or double tap or do all this sort of stuff. So it's getting even more natural to interact with your cockpit. And if you look closely, you will see that we have got a single smart throttle for the 2 engines. Okay, so one axis, one command. This will pilot the 2 engines. No more multiple throttles like in the generation before. And this is coming from the Rafale. We had that on the Rafale fighter jet we had that for a very long time, and it's very nice to operate. But basically, it's all about the same. You've got the interactive way to go on the map and select your flight plan, decide what you want to do, and if you come 30 minutes before the flight, it's just good enough to start everything up and be airborne in a matter of minutes.
So, Philippe, is this similar to flying a fighter jet?
Oh yes, the same family. We are Dassault Aviation, so we design fighter jets and business jets. And you see this side stick. It was first used in a business jet on the Falcon 7X a long time ago in 2005, and we kept it and improved it all the way. And when you fly this business jet manually, and it's a lot of pleasure. Obviously, they won't do that very often because most of the time you're flying with autopilot. But if you go and fly manually, you'll have the same sort of feeling that you have in a jet.